Hello guys, welcome to another full sync tech review by yours truly, Torax Outlaw. And we have for you today a very special gift. I did open it in all my haste when I know you guys like watching me unbox these things. A wonderful product again from Sandberg, and this time it is the Sandberg USB-C 5-in-1 dock. So this thing has everything. You can connect it to a TV. You can connect it to your network via LAN, via an Ethernet cable. It's got two USB 3 ports, a card reader, and it will also charge your device at the same time. So let me read the intro at the back. So it is the USB-C Dock 5-in-1 by Sandberg. Compatible with Windows 10, 8, 7 and Mac OS. 5 years warranty, double quality tested as standard. The Sandberg USB-C Dock 5-in-1 offers you lots of useful connections for your computer with a USB-C port. You can connect an extra monitor, TV projector by HDMI. You can deploy the USB 3 ports to connect USB devices. RJ45 connector for cable network connection. You can even read and write on SD cards by the built-in SD card adapter. And as icing on the cake, the dock is equipped with the USB-C through ports to connect power. So, like, I have a Windows all-in-one tablet, and I need all the power I can get, and I need to connect USB ports. So I was sent this to review. This is like Christmas come early, because now I don't have to keep unplugging things and plugging things in and making things work. So what I will do now is I will get this bad boy set up, and I will then show you how everything works. So this is going to be a short, quick, tasty review, and I will catch you guys when everything's connected up, and I will show you everything on the screen on one of my 3 monitors here. I will show you everything on there, and I will show you everything plugged in and working. So I'll see you guys in a moment. Right, hello guys, welcome back. We now have everything set up. So I'm now going to show you what I've got plugged in, what's plugged in, and I will also show you on one of the screens, which I'm quite happy about. Now I now have use for second screen. So let's get to it. Right. As you can see here, guys, the second screen, what we have, I've literally plugged everything into it. So there it goes straight into my USB-C port here. That's my second monitor cable. That is my mouse. That is the camera that I'm using to record. That's the charge port cable. And yeah, down here it says it's charging. So that's brilliant, because my laptop it's a Samsung all-in-one, and it has an option that if I can get it charged to a certain percentage, and then it will stop charging, so it will power like a computer. So unless I unplug it, then it won't, it'll stop charging and use the battery, and then when I plug it back in, it will charge back to that certain percentage before it then stops charging. So as you can see here, the second monitor is working. I've plugged in my Ethernet cable, and if I show you down here with the mouse, if you can see the mouse, it's picking everything up, and I'm connected to the Ethernet. I have disabled the wireless. I literally now feel like I actually now have a computer, but it's not a computer. The mouse I've reviewed before is my Sandberg Blast mouse. So I am very happy with this piece of kit. I give this kit a 5 out of 5. If you're one of those customers that is stuck with a computer with one solitary USB-C port, I highly recommend this product. Build quality, it's aluminium or stick, aluminium casing. The cable feels very thick, not going to fray very easy, and the connection is quite solid. I can wiggle that for a while, and I don't think it would unplug unless I pulled the damn thing out, so that's another good thing. 2 USB ports. It's brilliant for most people who only got a couple of things. It's ideal. The HDMI connection feels very solid as well, and the Ethernet connection is brilliant for people who don't want to use their Wi-Fi. So yes, I give this product a 5 out of 5, and I will see you guys in my next review.